Welcome back, everybody. Today we're making some halal pulled chicken sammies. We're going to start by combining 1 cup of your barbecue sauce of choice. I went with honey barbecue. Next, we'll add 1 cup of ketchup, halal chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Give that a thorough mixin' with a little whisk, then we'll add in 3 pounds of Midamar's halal chicken thighs. Get your chickie all covered in sauce, then we'll slow cook it on high for 3 hours. In the meantime, we'll make a little slaw topping. We're going to start the slaw by combining 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of shredded carrots, a 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and salt and pepper to taste, or about half a teaspoon or so. Give that a good mixin', then we'll cover that and refrigerate it for now. Our chickie is fully cooked, so we'll bring it back. Pull our chicken out of the sauce and set it in a big old mixing bowl. Now we'll come in with a couple of forks and get shredding. Look at that. This is the kind of high quality shred we're going for. Go ahead and toss that back into our sauce and mix it around. And that's it. Serve it with some potato salad and your favorite chips and enjoy. If you need a potato salad recipe, check out our pulled barbecue beef slider vid in the description. We'll see you next week with another delicious halal recipe.